And I got neon yellow teeth, and my wife fucking left me chugging whiskey at the bar, feeling shitty and empty. I'm a mess, singing loud, then I'm crawling through the street. Neon yellow teeth, goddamn, my life's a sad ass beat. I stumbled to the jukebox, tried to sing some old Cash tune, but my yellow teeth flashed bright, cleared the bar by fucking noon. The bartender yelled, "You freak, you chompers scare my dog." So I slammed another shot, now I'm lost in a drunken fog. Oh, I'm tanked, yeah, my brain's a sloppy stew. Tried gargling with Listerine, but it turned my teeth to goo. My wife's long gone, probably Bangham's clean freak. Neon yellow teeth got me feeling so damn bleak. I got neon yellow teeth, and my